Okay. What letter is that? I. I there.
Ideal.
Yeah.
Ideal.
Put properly. There you go. What letter is that?
I know.
H.
H.
Yeah, beside the I.
Ideal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. You're almost done. And that letter. No, that's not goes there. No. Oh yeah, that's right. That's Q.
Hey, Noah.
Yeah, Q.
Hey, Noah.
And that is, oh, Zane already know. Okay. Zane already know. You're right. Mommy's
Mommy.
wrong. Okay, what
Mommy.
letter is that?
Mommy, hey, Noah.
Okay, Zane no. Okay, F.
F?
F, where's the F?
Um,
That's lowercase f.
we
Very good.
hold on. Okay. Wait, do. I'll pull away.
Okay, what letter is that?
Oh.
C.
Yeah.
Letter. What letter is that? N.
N.
Beside the M and O.
Wait, do.
That's right.
Hey, M-O.
Yeah, M and O. And what letter is that?
S.
Where's the S?
We go away.
Yes, where is the S? Go find it. There you go. Good job.
Good job.
Yeah, and the last one is letter E.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh no!
That's okay. Not bad for first timer to do the lowercase letter.
Tayo. Ano do it again? Ano do it again?